In this quick video, I will show you how to bridge from Solana to Aptos step by step. So the first step is to go to portalbridge.com and choose Solana as your source. And as for the target, choose Aptos, click here, and then click connect and choose what Solana wallet you're going to use. So I'm going to use Phantom wallet and then select a token. So I'm going to bridge USDC and then type the amount of USDC you want to bridge. So I'm going to click the maximum amount, click next, click connect, and choose what wallet you're going to use to receive your USDC. So I'm going to use Martian wallet. And then click next, then click transfer, click confirm, click approve. So make sure that you have enough Solana in your Phantom wallet because you're going to use for the gas fee. So just click approve here. Then let us wait for the transaction to be completed. You can see it here. And then click redeem. And also make sure that you have enough Aptos in your Martian wallet because you're also going to use it for the gas fee. And you can see it here. Click approve. Go to your Martian wallet. And as you can see, I have received 0.73 USDC. And if you have any questions about how to bridge from Solana to Aptos, leave a comment below.